This is Kadzinuni, a town of 8,000 people on Kenya's east coast. In towns like this, 94% of people rely on basic fuels like wood and charcoal to cook their food. In Kadzinuni, however, rampant deforestation means these fuels are no longer available locally. Many poorer families are now forced to burn waste with its bad smell and toxic fumes, or endure a 3-hour round trip each day to acquire wood and charcoal from a distant market. The burden of this tedious task mostly falls on the shoulders of women and children who would otherwise be in work or at school. Finances are therefore stretched and opportunities limited. This crisis is detrimental to the community, impacting on an environmental, economic, and ultimately social level. Most pressingly, it's limiting the lives and prospects of families and individuals. This is where we, the BioSmart Initiative, offer a sustainable solution. We have adapted, developed, and tested a model for a low-tech furnace that can be used to turn agricultural waste into biochar, an organic charcoal. Biochar can then be pressed into briquettes that can be used as a direct fuel substitute to wood, or can be applied as an effective soil fertilizer, increasing nitrogen content and retaining water within the soil to increase crop yield. Last year, we performed needs assessments, perfected our furnace designs and instructions, and researched the uses of biochar as a soil fertilizer in African climates. From this, we discovered the need to employ and empower women in their community and use agricultural waste that litters the surrounding area in two particular ways: using general crop waste to turn directly into biochar, and utilise inedible cassava peel as the briquette binding agent. This year, we already have 2 furnaces on the verge of completion in Kadzinuni. Once finished, we will perform 3 key steps. Firstly, begin testing of the burn process and biochar quality, and perform a soil fertilizer experiment to test crop yield. 2. Send over designs and instructions on how to build and utilise briquette press to reduce the labour-intensive process. 3. Implement our example business plan to employ roughly 4 women per furnace to give them a wage whilst reducing the cost of fuel and fertiliser for the community. We believe we effectively meet the Unilever ITC criteria as we are utilising agricultural waste to reduce deforestation, empower women in the community, provide a sustainable fuel source, and increase crop yield within the surrounding area. We should be considered for the next stage, as the funding we could receive will contribute directly to expanding the number of furnaces and briquette presses we can fund, therefore utilising more waste and empowering more women.